asinchire wengi karansike editoriane Dianah Ndemo. Tugo chaka bene kurwasi kaunti ya Kise nigabateneri bamatatu imeyomo cy'obosongo basokire na kugokera igitambukiro cy'umugabana we kaunti ya Kise kubenekerya buna ibara ya daraja moja ya sarikire mono asigeka bono yarosigwe na ndemero bire neraroro yogochi kuyegaliya ipareyo megayetaro yae no bwati yaba MCA gocha asenyumba yoborai
Maria dan Joseph wagoti Chano matara bota uniga Kisi. Engwa kira simba mbiamona soka rosie pararo stiptara jamo jaria. Kwanya yabeire bitonge binge sana ya to sumbuire ngakienda. Mokora ngajali jigo jarji abarji nyinge. To simyanga egabana de ya otoroserie ba. Lakini wana roje ngoro sirie bare ngia sana. Timbu atiana na rayo.
Chia taraja moja. Ibere ya daraja moja ya itire abantu abangi twaene kiri amakweli ya mange ako bakira lituko na kire linde bono buna bono moraito gabara simbarati achie dal state house ndowe togote abanga enechero sigwe bakwane n'abantu ba Kenya bagatanga kubekwe nando kusabanga yale kubekwa efrayova eminyoka yasoka daraja mbili yasoka jogo yasoka mwembe tumaitenga chia challenge bachiko kungwa gagu ase 90% kiara yoko chikumya kujimwemba kumya kujimwemba kumya kudaraja mbili kumya kudaraja mbili kumya kujisumo kumya kudaraja mbili goro oyo kana mojo kumya kujemira oliyo ngo mosanga mandu chikobo ora chikunyara ko kore ti accident gali na nyine chiboda boda na cyo chinyora se chikumya kabuya chitabo atimo yani kutuma na kondo wonse na bana muna bali bakotamba ko ba kisipori kisi university banyara se bakotale njira yabuya tokonyera ngamusaka mubasa kono para ko chikotokoro kona ngopongeza umuraito simbarati kuganda ko tumaitenga nogenda kolegas ande no maitenga 27 ngangere kolegas yao buna watete neta na totokoro komesa buneta gusi kera chichi ose the outskirts of Kisi arole kana ko buneta
to simbarati mbiyamono asengenje paranere yato chandire buna bono daraja moja aiga yato chandira maduka mange ajali jabe iroji nyinge lakini indoche ngaftaru ete state house ndoche ngana kwane tenga epare inkorosi gwere igongo mwagira mbiyamono
Boigo ni gabara y'abasubati bababuli y'abasubati kwene kebuna wesoke baligiye oborai nabayigo gwaka ekura unenchira yamo yogokora emichandira sechinyomba nabayige emichandire kwebwaterane kurwa sensemo yoborai.
As a leader in the government, I've come to join with the fellow women to speak about the evils which are there, and we speak together with one voice and say no to violence, no to molestation of children, no to evil things like raping, no to things like killing women and girls because of the agenda which is femicide. So at the end of this meeting, we'll be able to speak as one voice, and all these women will go around the country to speak the same thing that we are saying.
Every citizen has a right to be protected and to feel safe and to feel secure. Me as a woman, not even as a senator. Yes, I have bodyguards, but those who don't have the bodyguards out there, and even we've seen people being killed with their bodyguards there. This is bad, this is wrong, and this must stop. Actually, I condemn this in the most powerful, strongest way that it can be condemned, because we need to feel free in our country. We need to feel safe in our country.
We pray for the government. We have been praying for the government that is in. You know, we don't care about parties. We pray for peace. That is the command. Pray for the peace of the country where you live, because when there is peace, you also have peace in your homes.
Nabayigo omonogirwe ya serikali Isaac Maura okwani irubiya bo mu rubiri obubagaciwe kinyomba kya maulense nabayigo merebiriye serikali yebegetiye go chikwene kyabuna ensi ya Kenya ngo kinere nabayigo guska mutwe.
This progress has resulted in the creation of more than 330,000 jobs in the construction and Jua Kali sectors. Within this financing, 4.4 billion has been ring-fenced for the Jua Kali artisans. More than 1,000 artisans have been certified to supply materials, with 3,855 new mortgages having been issued at lower interest rates to ensure that many more Kenyans have a chance at home ownership. In agriculture, Kenya is now better. We have food security. We have better commodities prices. And also inflation has come down significantly to 4.8%. Kenyans are now accessing more affordable food supplies in the markets, while farmers are reporting better earnings from their produce. In particular, the price of unga has reduced by 34% from as high of 250 shillings to about 160 on average currently, ensuring that households have access to safe and reasonably priced varieties. This is because of the fertilizer subsidy, which has really significantly reduced from Kenya shilling 7,000 per bag to 2,500, a reduction of 5,000 shillings, which is very good savings. We have saved billions of shillings for Kenyans. Jobs, loans, and opportunities. Through the formalization of the 2.25 million small businesses and the upgrading of 31 constituency industrial development centers, the government has created over 9,000 jobs and ensured that more young people have access to employment opportunities. The establishment of cold storage facilities, incubation hubs, and the varied trade fairs that have been conducted at the county levels have also opened up new markets for the young entrepreneurs. One may ask, how is this happening? We do have the
Nabaigo omokonyi bwo mugabana we county ya Machakos Francis Mwangange nigamochire abarai nabaigo abarokia abo bagibete bakogenda ase nyumba y'oburai kingakia tebiribuna nenchira yamo yogo isanikia amagani yabo kolende nigobe biraba 90 bali babete bakubakira ekura kibakia boliriya ba 90 kwene kyabunangwe sokya bale asobonge na kumwakire kura Kalonzo Musyoka buno muraibense ya Kenya.
Sai waadhiri wa vyuo vikuu wamesema wanaenda mgomo. Siku hizi father, tumerudi mtindo ambao uliisha zamani sana. Mtindo wa ikiwa watu wa Muthesia mnataka maendeleo, sasa mnabebwa hapa 10,000, 5,000. Mnapelekwa mahali hapa chini kwa Kithure Kidiki ama kule kwa mkubwa wetu wa nchi kule Ikuru. Alafu mkitoka hapo 10,000 each one of you. 10. Ajeni niwaambie, wakati wa rais watatu wa Jamhuri ya Kenya na naibu wake Kalonzo Musyoka, naongea juu ya mheshimiwa rais watatu wa Jamhuri ya Kenya ambaye naibu wake alikuwa Kalonzo Musyoka. Hata ukienda Ikuru haungepewa kikombe ya chai, kwa sababu hiyo fedha ilikuwa inatumwa kuwatumikia wananchi. Saa hii hiyo fedha unasema hiyo maendeleo hapa moyoni, fedha ndio hiyo mnaenda kupewa huko 10,000 each. 10,000 people each 10,000. How much is that? 100 million. If it is 100 million, hebu angalia hiyo fedha ikiletwa hapa Ndidhini itafanya kazi kiasi gani? The policies are upside down ya hii serikali, na ndio maana tumesema alternative Kalonzo Musyoka is the alternative. Ndio kiboko ya hao. Wasipotengeneza mambo, wangoje wa Kenya wataamua. Sawa. Because we want watu waendelee. Sasa walimu walikuwa Ikulu juzi wakapewa each 10,000. Leo wanasema wanataka kungoma. Hebu na hii. Yaani wameenda wamechukua haki yao, wakitoka nje ni kama ni wanta.
Naboigo obomo bwebyama gwitania emirongo ibere nigo byaruro kurero gotindi gochiasie kiombe kia IEBC ebyama ebyo nigo byatebire buna enchama yachakiwe yokobira okorigia kwabo oburai omwaka o 2027.
My name is Augustus Muli and I'm party leader of National Liberal Party. I'm reading this statement on behalf of all these party leaders and leaders of various political parties in the country. We have come together to deliberate on the state of the nation and in particular the health of our multi-party democracy. And in this regard, we wish to address the following matters of national importance. On IEBC, we are grateful that the nation firmly has a fully constituted IEBC commission in place and that we are firmly on the path to 2027 general elections. However, we are alarmed by the attitude the commission has adopted towards political parties. The commission has met with churches, foreign embassies, NGOs and other groups, but not with political parties who are its principal stakeholders. Even as we prepare for the upcoming by-elections, the Commission stubbornly refuses to engage with us. Therefore, to Mr. Erastus Edung Ethekong, Fahima Arafat Abdallah, Moses Alutala Muhwana, Anne Jerin Nderitu, Mary Karen Sorobit, Hassan Nur Hassan, and Professor Francis Odhiambo Oduol. Please be advised that political parties will be paying you a visit soon. The role of political parties is not a matter to be taken for granted, as the IEBC Commission seems to be doing. And the earlier you realize this, the better.
Manjito murigeria no tugokorera asoroboti oruo wibyama emirongo 5 byasokire na goteba buna tibiri gochiwanchira ikiombekeria kia IEBC gochaka enchama gosemero biri gochikwenekia buna tibari gochikorigia obochori bw'emyaka eria yechiribubere 25 na wikira wo manjito murigeria no gokorera mangana maya asinchire wikirano chinga kingo batebya ngagenda gucengira emiro biri tumigita sengen Soko TV na bigongwa kirenga bya mono asogo sangana itwe na bogo chore gita sengito koba egita sen kiago namba ayemo. Bye bye tumerere ankyo asomoro birio ensoko wakire na nche Dianah Ndemo.
Eye Soko TV, Oboroso, Bumugu.